What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Martin. On today's video I will be very short, and today we are reviewing the broker Amega in detail and in depth, and I do want to give you guys an honest review and also tell you guys exactly what I have found to be useful for beginner traders and novice traders and advanced traders as well. So do stick around till the end of the video if you do want to use a broker that would work best for you, and let's get right into it. So I've been using the broker for the past couple of weeks, and some of you guys have actually sent me DMs to ask about the broker, and you did want to inquire exactly what I do on the broker and how I actually use the broker. So I do think that this is actually one of the best opportunities if you are living in South Africa to probably look into trading with another broker that's obviously not a local broker. I mean, we've had countless complaints about different brokers, but right now we are reviewing a broker that you do know that is on a global scale and that will definitely do pay out your withdrawals within the same day. Now let's look down into Amega Finance. Now that we've actually gotten that out of the way, let's actually get to look at the broker and how they actually do operate and function. The first thing that I do want to state as we are looking at this broker, that this is a broker that is regulated, and this is a broker that is obviously not based in South Africa. This is a broker that has been there for a couple of years, and this is a broker that deals in United States dollars and other currency pairs as well. They do have people from other countries that actually do use the broker, which would then mean that there's more liquidity and cash flow in the business for you to be able to get your withdrawals whenever you do decide to trade with them. Now let's look at what we do have here. So we do have Amega Finance, as you can see on the website. This is quite an easy website that we can obviously gravitate and navigate on. So if you do look at this website, at the top there, they've got a really beautiful outlay where we've got the logo on the left, and then we do have markets, services, analysis, promotions, partnerships, companies and stuff. And then you do have that little tab on the right that allows for you to sign in or sign up with the broker, which is exactly what we are trying to do for today's video, to either sign in if you do have existing accounts or sign up as well if you do not have existing accounts. But before we get to that, let's actually look at how the layout of this website is. So if you do scroll through the website, you are able to see that this website has been built in a way that is really easy to the user. So if you are looking to trade with this broker, you can see that this is a website that is quite easy to the eye. There's not much complications on the website. You can obviously see every single thing that you do want to see. They do have information that's provided on there, and I like this huge welcome logo on there as well. They say welcome to zero commission trading, which is obviously beautiful as well. If you do scroll down to the last part of the screen, you'll see that they've got their table where they are giving you the different prices and the different options that they do give out on there. We do have that 0% commission. We do have as promised, they do have that 0% commission. There's also that 24/7 instant cashback withdrawals. They do pay withdrawals instantly, so you will withdraw from your account to Bitcoin and Bitcoin into your trading account, which is also like a really reliable method of withdrawals. And they do have a super quick execution that is obviously a 0.1 second execution speed, and also they've got leverage that gets up to 1:1000. And I do think that if you are a trader that lives in South Africa, this would be something you would use to your advantage, to actually have a high leverage when you do want to trade, even when I do not recommend that you do risk more than you're willing to lose. But this is interesting to know that you can actually trade with the broker that gives you a leverage that is as high as what Amega is giving you. And then again, you've got minimum spreads that would go to like a 0.1 pip spread, which is also quite interesting as well. And then over there at the bottom, you've got an option and a button to open an account. So if you do click that open an account option, I do find this very easy to gravitate and navigate around. So you do have the registration details section that you do need to fill in, and as soon as you fill the details, there is also that capture area at the bottom where you just have to fill in your details. Fill in the capture that's on there, and then it's going to take you to the next page, which would obviously be the main screen for this broker. So So if you are done with this, then you will be required to obviously submit your KYC documents. That would be your proof of residence and your ID as well. So I do think that these are super simplistic. If you are someone that's actually opened an account before with the broker, you will know that this is a general standard procedure to actually get verified. Now that we've gotten the simple things out of the way, let's look at the slightly more advanced stuff on the broker. So now that you've actually opened your account and sent through your KYC documents and your account probably got verified, you do want to open a trading account inside Amega on your dashboard. So you do want to come to this section. So on the left hand side on that tab, you do see accounts. You go to open live account. As soon as you open live account, this is what you're going to get to. So you're going to have to select your account type. So you can obviously either select the Amega Markets Hedging, Amega Markets Netting, Amega Markets Global Netting account, and that's exactly what you will get on this specific screen. So if you do click on that type, there will be 3 different account types that you do want to open, and right after that, then you can obviously go to deposit funds. And if you do go to deposit funds, then you can obviously select the account that you want to deposit into, and obviously choose and select the wallet that you'd like to deposit from, and click continue. And then from there, then you will be able to see your accounts and your deposits right in your trading account. So as soon as you do see that, then you can obviously go to your MT5. And now that you've deposited into your MT5 account, you will notice that even as you are checking your balance, there will be a 150% first-time bonus deposit, and that is meant to help you and even hold you on drawdown trades. If you are trading and your trades happen to be on a bit of drawdown, this bonus will help hold your account until you can actually come back into profit. So this is a drawdown that actually holds you all the way through the 150% bonus that was given to you, which is obviously non-withdrawable, and this is something that I find really cool. So I did take trades in my account, and I did see the use of that drawdown, that it gives you, first of all, the leverage to open more positions, and secondly, it also holds you down on drawdown for you to be able to save your account. Suppose you did over leverage and over risk, where you did come in and the market pulls back to greater and bigger heights that you didn't imagine of, or like you didn't think of. Some people actually do that if they don't have a solid working strategy, and sometimes you do need a drawdown percentage bonus that's going to help you not blow your accounts, even if your trades are obviously going to the right direction. So that's what I did see as well. So do notice that there will be a deposit bonus that's on there. So when you do see that bonus on there, just do know that that's the 150% deposit bonus, and that is non-withdrawable, but also helps you hold your trades on drawdown. So I do think this is also like a really cool function and cool option on this broker. So I would recommend that if you are starting out and if you do want to test out a new broker that actually offers deposits from a larger scale, you must look at Amega. And also lastly, now I want to show you this web terminal. So on the left, we do have a very smooth way of actually operating this web terminal, and I do think this is actually a cool option because this is quite a familiar platform. If you are from South Africa, you will notice that this dashboard does look like one of our South African brokers, which I do think this is a cool option, because then that means this is not a very foreign outlay of the web terminal and your dashboard. So this is just about it. So now that we've looked at this, let's get to the end of the video. Thank you so much that you did stay till the end of this video. So I do want to make a disclaimer on this, that I do not recommend a broker that I haven't tested and tried out. And the fact that this is on my channel, this is a broker that I have tried and tested and have seen the benefits of using the broker, and I do see the need to speak about it. I've turned down a lot of brokers that haven't been meeting my standard in terms of my trading conditions, and haven't been able to even speak about them on my channel. But in today's video, I do want to say that I did test out Amega, and I did find them really interesting. And as a matter of fact, I did find an account with them, and I am trading an account with them, which I will show you through time. And I did find my account with $5,000, and we are trading and pushing that account account with Amega, and you guys will be seeing withdrawals, you'll be seeing deposits, you'll be seeing every single thing that I will be doing on this broker. So I do hope and pray that this is the broker that you've always wanted to work with, and this is my honest review on Amega FX. I do think that they are quite a reliable broker in terms of spreads and executions. I like how quick they do execute. I like how there's not much manipulation, if not at all, and I do like the fact that they also do have instant withdrawals, which is obviously something that we all want to experience. So if you do want to open an account with a reliable broker, go check Amega FX out and see if this is not a broker that you would really and truly like to work with. Once again, this is Dr. Martin. Thank you for watching today's video. If you are new to this channel, please do me a favor to click that subscribe button over there, like this video, drop a comment down below, let me know what you do think about today's video, and do have a beautiful and an amazing weekend. This is Dr. Martin once again signing out. Peace out.